Hi everyone, this is Sabina from Origami, and today I'll show you how you can take a regular SharePoint site and turn it into a beautiful website like intranet in just 10 minutes with Origami. Wait a minute, doesn't SharePoint have templates for that? It does, but they're mostly designed for things like introducing people or announcing company initiatives. What's really missing are modern, ready-to-use templates for core pages every intranet needs. With Origami, you get all of these beautiful starter intranet pages already pre-built. All you need to do is tweak a few things and change colors. This can save you lots of time, no need to reinvent the wheel. Here are the pages you'll get with Origami in minutes. A personalized homepage with quick links, calendar, and a staff directory. An alternative homepage with search and employee social. Onboarding page with new hire welcomes, documents, and an onboarding timeline. Work benefits page. Learning and development page with mandatory readings for each employee and personalized resources for the role. Payroll and expenses page. News center with the company LinkedIn feed. Department page. Careers page. Knowledge base landing page. And lastly, a knowledge base article page. You might have noticed that these page samples look so real, they're almost ready to go. Why is that? See, new SharePoint out-of-the-box templates are mostly made of images and text, making them look shallow and made up. That's because they're missing key intranet functionality. Things like personalization, staff directory, KPIs and trackers, social feeds like LinkedIn, to name a few. It's also pretty hard to change font sizes and colors for things you do have. With Origami, not only you get 39 additional components you can add to your pages, but you can also set styles as needed. You can even save those styles as a template so other employees can start with your preset settings, which save them time and helps pages stay on brand. To further save you weeks of manual labor, with Origami, you can copy your pages across SharePoint sites, which SharePoint alone doesn't allow. So if you build a landing page for one department, with Origami, you can copy this page to as many sites as you need in seconds. With all that, you can start building your intranet today, and you don't have to ask anyone to code anything for you because you have all the tools to do it yourself. What about the installation? Let's see how easy it is to install Origami onto your SharePoint. Likely someone from your IT would go to the single web installer page. Here, all I need to do is to select all Origami web parts for deployment and insert a URL of the site where I want my templates to show up. Now let's select my intranet samples, click install, and in about 10 minutes, we're done. Back on the site where I chose to drop off samples, I can now see my intranet pages show up. In just a few minutes, we've created 11 samples using some of the 39 components that are now part of my starter SharePoint intranet. Now, what if I want to change these templates? Can I do that? Yes, each of these templates is just another SharePoint page. I can customize Origami web parts to match my company's colors and style. For example, if I want to change the size and the colors of these quick links, I can change that here. Super simple. You can also add or remove any web parts from the page. For example, what if my company hosts a lot of corporate events? Can I add them in a calendar form to my careers page? You bet. And here's how. Let's go to edit mode and select the place where we want the calendar to show. I'll make more room for the calendar by changing the size of the section. Now let's click the plus button and add the Origami calendar web part here. And there you have it. I can connect this calendar to show events from my Office 365 group calendar, and we're good to go. The same goes for all the other Origami web parts. You can mix and match them however you like, even use out-of-the-box web parts on the same page. The great thing about Origami web parts is that once they are installed, they can be used anywhere in SharePoint on your tenant, and you can create a design unique to your organization. But what really sets Origami apart from other intranet solutions? 5 things. Number 1, Origami is hosted inside your SharePoint, and that means your data stays secure in your SharePoint. There is no need to learn a new platform. It's the same SharePoint experience you're familiar with. Number 2, you can use Origami components side by side with Microsoft web parts. If Microsoft releases new functionality tomorrow, you have access to it. Origami doesn't interfere with Microsoft updates nor prevent you from accessing other SharePoint features. Number 3, there are no mandatory subscriptions or per-user fees. When you buy Origami, it's licensed perpetually to the whole organization, including unlimited users, unlimited designers, and no subscription lock-in. Number 4, setup is quick. The solution is ready in just 10 to 15 minutes. You don't need outside consulting or long projects to get started. And lastly, Origami has been used by millions of users over the years, making it the #1 choice for companies who want a website-like intranet. With Origami, you're not just adding web parts, you're building an intranet that grows with you.